Get it straight, bro.
Mr. Glenn. Let's get this understanding. First of all, I'm not your bro, okay?
Fine. I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission because you're very impartial. You're not about to try to embarrass me in court like that, man. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. What you talking about?
You wait a minute.
If Mr. Glenn come to court, he's coming with all the news coverage.
Rondell Glenn appeared before Judge Perkins on Zoom for several old traffic cases, but what started as a simple hearing quickly became something bigger. He was frustrated, his attorney was trying to keep him on track, and Judge Perkins was running out of room to let it continue. What followed was not just about tickets, it became about respect, control, and what happens when a defendant treats a courtroom like a personal argument. One Zoom hearing was about to cross a line.
Detroit versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SP11-54208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP11-54212, counts 1 and counts 2. SP14-82930, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1720-494, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1720-600, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1720-615, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1730-688, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1730-696-1. State of Michigan versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SX3397163-1. SX3630039, 1, SX3639504, 1, 18443135, 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rondell Glenn. Mr. Glenn, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Rondell Glenn.
Your Honor, I don't know how many tickets that was you just read off. I only have 3 on my docket.
Yeah, Mr. Glenn doesn't have any respect for the court. I see he's exhibited disrespect for the court, and he's.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute. What you talking about?
You wait a minute.
I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission.
You wait a minute.
I don't want you to remove yourself from my case, bro. I'm 58
years
old.
That's the disrespect.
I don't know what it is about me and you, bro.
That's the disrespect.
Mr. Glenn. Can you please be quiet for one? Mr. Glenn, as the attorney who's trying to help you, can you please be quiet for a moment? The first issue that you have is you should not be driving on Zoom. Park the car, please. You cannot drive on Zoom. This is the definition of distracted driving.
He should not be driving at all. He's already indicated to the court that he's driving when he was driving while in court. I asked Mr. Glenn that if he's driving, he said he's driving to go in to get something to eat, I believe. So now
Mr. Glenn wasn't driving. Somebody was driving for me. I'm with somebody. What do you mean, man?
I'm gonna order Mr. Glenn.
I'm 58 years old, bro. Look.
Mr. Glenn, I'm trying to help you. Can you please just wait a minute?
All these tickets from 20 years ago when it's only 3. You know what I'm saying?
Sir, stop. Mr. Glenn, stop so I can help you. I'm trying my very best to help you. You got a chip on your shoulder, but it's not. Sir, give me a minute. I'm gonna try to take you in a breakout room and talk to you before you make your circumstance worse. Just be quiet until you get there, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Glenn, after you finish talking to him, I'm gonna give him a pre-trial date for tomorrow. Mr. Glenn has to come into court in person.
Fine. I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission because you're very impartial. You're not about to try to embarrass me in court like that, man.
Glenn, stop.
Mr. Glenn,
we
only got 3.
Just ask you to be quiet so I can help you.
I'm going to file a complaint today.
That's fine. You can do whatever you want, but
you're not about to try to embarrass me like that, be disrespectful to me, and think I'm going to sit up and take that.
Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn.
And they come to court properly dressed. Don't come to court in a sleeveless shirt. Come to court properly dressed.
Your Honor, can I please have a moment to talk to Mr. Glenn? I muted you because you're not making it better. Just be quiet.
It doesn't matter what you say to him. He's going to take an anger management class too. Glenn, let me say something to you, sir. Start your video, please.
I got it going. Get it straight now. Get it straight, bro. I simply wanted to come in and plead not guilty. But
so, Mr. Glenn, I asked you to stop talking to the judge like he's your friend or somebody on the street. You would not talk to another judge in a different jurisdiction like that. He's not your bro. He's Judge Perkins.
Now, let me stop. Let me stop right
I'm trying to help you, Mr. Glenn. You making it worse.
Stop, Ms. Gaten Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, let's get this understanding. First of all, I'm not your bro, okay? Yeah, I'm the judge, Mr. Perkins, but I'm not your bro, okay? Second,
I know you're not.
No, I didn't ask you to speak. Don't talk while I'm talking. Secondly, if you continue to act out like you've been doing, I'm gonna have no choice but to hold you in contempt of court, okay? And I don't want to do that. I'm trying to exercise the utmost restraint with you. Now, third, I called those cases into the record to be as a matter of judicial economy. I don't know when you got those tickets. I don't care when you got those tickets. I try to do that for the benefit of you, so you don't have to keep coming back to court multiple times, and you don't have these warrants sitting out here on you, okay? That's why I called those cases into the record. That's my choice to do that. And I called the cases into the record for the court and for your benefit, so you don't have to keep coming back to court, okay? So,
I appreciate that.
I'm gonna let you speak. Let me finish. You're gonna come into court in person tomorrow at 8:30. I want you properly dressed. You can say what you wanna do what you wanna say. If you don't appear, then a lot of people don't show up. That's what the court has to say. Now, you want to talk? Go ahead and speak.
Okay. So I'm sorry about calling you bro. Okay. But I didn't think that you would get impartial and start, you were supposed to be here early. I'm 58 years old. Okay. So I'm kind of tech challenged, but I called down and I got in. Okay. I was late, but I got in, but it's just the way you was talking to me, that had me like, damn, I don't really want to go in front of this guy here, man. Plus I know Todd. So that's another reason why. Okay. So I was just asking if you could just recruit yourself. Then I found out some other stuff that's something, that's going on. Some news is going on right now. I don't want to be a part of that. I just want to go to another courtroom. If we could do it like that, then we good. Then I don't have to go down to the Judicial Tenure Commission, file a 3-page report. You know what I'm saying? Just recruit me from your courtroom. That's all I'm asking you.
So, Mr. Glenn.
On the grounds of, maybe not because I don't think you're impartial, but.
Let me finish. Let him go ahead and finish.
Okay. Maybe not because I felt you were being impartial, but let's not say that. But I do know Todd personally. Been knowing Todd for a long time. So that's another issue. Not the other issue about what's going on with you now, but I'm just asking the court, please, just recruit yourself or just send me to another judge, and I appreciate it.
All right, let me. I'm not going to send you to another judge. I want you to come down tomorrow morning at 8:30. I accept your apology about the bro situation. I didn't hold you being late against you because I did let you in the room. As long as I'm sitting here, I question why people are late. I understand now why you're late. You told me you're not as tech savvy as other people, and that was it. You also were driving in court. You admitted to that. You have a
so let's clear that up. Listen, I have a business.
It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's all being recorded. It's on transcript. You admitted to that. Okay. So
you can say whatever you want.
I let you speak. And I'm speaking. I said, do not interrupt the court. All right. So this is it. We're not gonna keep going back and forth. I'm gonna let you go about your day, but come down tomorrow morning in person. And you can go to the Judicial Tenure Commission. That is your full right. You can go to the chief judge, but I'm not going to sit here and have you yelling at my staff or anything. Okay.
Your Honor.
Listen, I'm not.
Mr. Glenn, please give me one moment. Please, I've been begging you since the beginning of our interaction. I'm trying to help you. Just be quiet.
Right. I should have brought my boy Blake in here. I wouldn't have all this.
Okay, so one moment, Your Honor. I explained to Mr. Glenn that he does have to be at court tomorrow morning at 8:30. I did also indicate to him that it's his absolute right to retain an attorney If he is not able to retain an attorney, then he can ask for an appointed attorney tomorrow. Because he is here for misdemeanor matters, he is entitled to counsel. If he wants to pay his own counsel or ask for counsel tomorrow, that is his right. But I'm making it clear that Mr. Glenn is aware of his right to have counsel tomorrow at court.
All right.
If Mr. Glenn come to court, he's coming with all the news coverage. Okay, so we just want to make sure
No
everything is
problem.
good.
We'll see you in the morning at 8:30. Make sure you look good for the news.
I want
Put your
another
good
judge,
suit on.
and I make it with another attorney. Okay.
One at a time, court
Put your
reporters.
good suit on. We don't care about you coming with the media. Look good for
I
the
know
media.
you don't
Put your
care. That's
suit
why I
on.
don't want you.
And bring.
You know what? As a matter of fact,
I'm
you're
not-
on ineffective counsel too. So I'm
Okay.
good. We're gonna reschedule that.
Have a
I'll tell you
wonderful
what we
day,
do.
sir.
Let's handle it like this.
Stop it, Miss.
Have a
Don't
wonderful
say
day.
anymore, Miss. Don't say anymore, Miss Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, that's it, okay? I'll let you make your record. Come on down tomorrow morning, all right? All right,
Let me
Mr. Glenn?
let me do what I gotta do. Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Yeah. Take care.
This hearing shows how quickly a simple court appearance can turn when respect and control break down. The judge tried to explain the process, the attorney tried to slow things down, and the defendant kept pushing back. The law allows complaints, objections, and requests for a different judge, but the courtroom still has rules. Accountability begins with how a person responds when those rules are enforced. This was never really about the tickets. It became about conduct, credibility, and whether the court could move forward with order. Subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns. Every case has a moment where the law either holds or breaks. The next one is no different.